Yep.
Hey.
Oh. Hey, welcome to Jump Town.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how you doing?
Good.
Yeah, you ready for this?
I am.
All right. What are you about to do right now?
Jump out of a plane.
What?
No one would
crazy.
believe it.
That's
I'm
nuts.
not a daredevil, so
Why
this
would
is
you
a
do
big
something
deal.
like that? This guy over here? Well, in just a few minutes, you're going to get ready to load inside that plane. Is there any hellos that you want to say to anybody that might be watching us back home?
Just hello to everybody.
There you go.
Sounds good.
All right.
Thanks.
Well, like I said, in just a few minutes, we'll get ready to load inside that plane, all right?
Okay, thank
Yeah.
you. Bye. Yay.
Yeah. What'd you think of that?
Yeah!
Great.
Good job.
Great. Loved it.
Great
Loved
job.
free fall,
Excellent
loved
job.
everything.
Did
That
a
was
great
beautiful.
job.
Thank you for
Very
having me
welcome.
lean into you on the plane. I know that couldn't have been comfortable.
No way. So would you do it again?
I would. Definitely.
Excellent.
Oh, you
Good
loved it.
job.
Even with you, you were great. You're a nice guy. Good. Both of you guys are great.
All right, let's get one last picture here with your tandem instructor.
I don't look like I'm freezing too much.
All right, let's turn this way. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Good job, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you.